Let's make pattern on surface. So as shown in thumbnail, we will make some pattern on round surface. So that is a special query from one student. Let's make revolve. Let's first make revolve line. So it should be from 0 and straight line. Okay, always go dimensionally. So we'll turn on ortho and specify height 25 in this direction. Similar way I want offset. So keep pressing Alter key, means keep pressing Alter key and click on this arrow and specify distance 10. So this is 10 mm far away from this line. So let's use revolve. Okay, this is open section, so it will create a surface, and then after we will close the section. Okay, so for revolve, type in command revolve, select this line, enter, and specify axis. Start angle is 0 and revolution angle is 360. So keep pressing enter key and just go to shaded view. So this is my revolved object. Okay, select curve. So this is the command. It will select the curve and put it in some different layer and hide it. So these are the curves. Okay, I want to. Okay, let's create UV curve. So this is a command. Create UV curve and select the surface and enter. So it will create UV curve of this cylinder, open cylinder, and put the cylinder on this another layer. So cylinder and turn it off. Now select this and close means this is the closed loop, and type in patch command. So patch will fill the surface, means fill the closed loop with the surface, and now create the pattern you want to create. So select these objects and also put it on another layer, or you can directly lock them. So middle mouse ruler. So on clicking on middle mouse ruler, you will have this pop-up menu, and this is the lock. Now go to top view and you can create your pattern, means whatever pattern you want to create. Like, okay, always go dimensionally. Ortho is on, so let's put it off. Okay, now keep pressing Alter key and 2. Okay, you can also use array. So this is a line. Okay, I don't want total array, means so we need some kind of this line, and now let's make change, and now use offset and type in offset distance D, enter 2, and in inner side select enter, select enter, and okay, this is fine. Now let's create this way, means it's up to you which type of array, means which type of curves. Okay, uh, let's offset to this way, and this is not touching here. So just select the curve, click on this option, show curve edit points on, then click outside, then select the point and move it outside of the boundary. We will trim it later. Okay, so I think this is a good pattern, and let's make middle. Let's find the middle line. So because we want to mirror it, this is the method. So Okay, I think it is up to this line. And okay, now unlock all the objects. Select all the objects and unlock them. Okay, now every objects are unlocked. Select, then use trim command and delete trim unwanted lines and unwanted objects. So, okay, always go dimensionally, because if you don't go dimensionally, results will come unexpected. So, dimensionally, going dimensionally is a good thing. So, mirror the pattern. Okay. So, now turn on your cylinder. This is your pattern. Okay, let's keep turn off. Now, this is smaller one. Okay, let's keep edit points turned on. Select the point, move this point to this point somewhere here. And for this, yeah, it is mirrored object, so it is automatically changed. You can also add few lines here if you want. Now I want to use pipe command. I want to specify cross section. You can also create cross section on the first curve, and then you can do offset. So this is the also you can also use different commands to create different type of cross sections. So right now we are going for circular cross section. We will we will go for different changes in next video. For this case, we are going to use pipe command, multiple, and select all the curves. Select this side. Okay, I don't want these lines. Now enter and specify diameter point 28. I think it's fine. Now go to perspective. Okay, if you want half portion inside, half portion outside, so keep this surface here. Or if you want a total outside or inside, so surface location is very important. So I want only this much inside. So after checking result, you will understand what is the surface, why the surface uh, location is very important. Now turn on cylinder. Okay, cylinder having this end option is mostly start and end point is here, because we have created line here to create a revolve object. So now just use flow along surface. Okay, before that we have to just group all these. Okay, select curve. We don't want curves on the pattern, so move the curves on this layer and hide it. We don't want curves, we only need 3D objects. So this is my pattern. I want this pattern on this surface, so transform flow along surface. This is the surface corner, and this is the almost nearby surface corner. It will take a few moments. Your base surface and target surface is very important. So it will change total orientation. So this is very important thing, that you select the proper corner surface. So this is flow along surface command, and you can also use curve option. So flow along curve is also similar one. Even cross section of a pipe is very important, and you can also find base surface and target surface, and there are few other options. So if you want to keep rigid on, preserve structure on, so these are the very important options here. So you can also select those options. It's still, it's only rotating but not showing result. Let's type in Z, enter, and extend. Yeah, it's now created. So see, the surface is this much portion is inside the surface. So we have just moved the target surface to at this level. So the intersection portion is very important. How much you keep intersected, it will go inside of the cylinder. Okay, so this is one method you can create flow. You can create this pattern on surface using flow along surface. But you go with proper dimensions, proper distance, proper cross sections. Otherwise, it will not create in good manner. So all the options are very important. Go step by step, and the result will come. Okay, thank you.